This feeds my inner dork and my inner guru at the same time. Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Shade, and what is going on today on my channel? I dressed up today, you guys, because I have this fabulous collection that we're going to be looking at today. In honor of Miss Marvel coming to theaters next year, I know this is not like her getup whatsoever. I had gone to the Halloween store and I looked everywhere for like superhero inspired headdresses, and this was one of the best ones. Now, it won't quite fit with the wig, not gonna lie, but A for effort, right? So recently I came across this amazing company and it's called Besame Cosmetics. I'll leave a link to the website right down below. You gotta check it out. I love makeup companies that are so original, so unique, and I really love vintagey stuff. I don't know if you know this, but I am like a huge fan of like Victorian era. I love all of the fashion. I'm always fascinated about the progression of makeup. And they have two other collections. They have a Snow White collection and they have an Agent Carter collection as well. And then they have their like own vintage makeup out as well. So really check it out. But today we're gonna be checking out the collection that's in the box. I did look at it. I couldn't help it. This video has taken quite a while to film. They have a couple little brochures right on top. So this says, "Be ready to be admired," and then all of Besame Cosmetics info on the back, and then it says, "Thank you for your purchase. Very vintage looking lady, love it." And then this is neat. This is a Besame Cosmetics almost like lipstick chart. So it says finding your perfect lipstick, and all of these are like 1920 Besame red, 1922 blood red, 1935 cherry red, like all the way from 1990 all the way to 1970. These lipstick shades were like in style, and I think I'm probably gonna go on and order some more cosmetics just because I'm kind of obsessed with this website at the moment. Let me stop blabbing and get into this collection. Oh, I might have one more thing to show you. Check this out. I didn't open it yet. I was very curious, but it's like an old newspaper. What? Oh my god. This is so cool. So this is talking all about the Agent Carter collection. This is so cool. Agent Carter 1946 collection. The adventure continues. This is really neat. It has a word puzzle. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Get the Peggy Carter look. To achieve Peggy's 1940 inspired. I'm getting way too into this. This isn't even what today's video is about. Oh, I'm keeping this for damn sure. Let us go ahead and start pulling out these pieces, guys. So there were two pieces to this collection, and I'm a little bit hooked. So like I said, I looked at them, I didn't open them, but we're gonna create some sort of makeup look today with it. So I went ahead and I did my face and everything. So this first piece is so amazing. It is so amazing. So we went with the Avengers Infinity Stones collection. So in the collection, it has what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eyeshadows in this little guy, and oh my gosh, can you like see this? It almost looks, just the way that they were packaged, they almost look suspended in the air. So I'm gonna try to get the packaging like back to its normal self when we're done with today's video as best as I can, because these are definitely gonna be like display pieces for sure. And then this one, honestly, I didn't see myself using too much because of just what it is, but again, a collection piece. It is so amazing. So I got the Infinity Stone eyeshadows, and then I got the Infinity Stones rollerball lip glosses. These are so amazing. I'm just absolutely obsessed with the packaging. So I think we're gonna start with the eyeshadows, and we're gonna play around with them, try to come up with some sort of look today using them. Honestly, like I said, I'm not really looking for Obviously, how it works would be great if they were super pigmented and amazing eyeshadows. But like I've said many times, not everything that I buy that has to do with makeup is gonna be practical or like something that I love the performance of. I'm a collector. I love looking at my makeup. It genuinely makes me very, very, very happy to see this stuff. And not in a way that I'm like, ooh, look at all the stuff I have. Like, not in a bragging way whatsoever. It's just like, this just makes me so happy. Like, this feeds my inner dork and my inner guru at the same time. Do you get me? So again, I don't always buy makeup for the practicality of them or like, are they the best products? Probably not. When I see stuff like that, I can't pass it up. For the first time, let's go ahead and get this box open. I'm just curious about how this is packaged and how I can get it back into its package. So, oh, okay, this little thingy pops right up. That kind of scared me, not gonna lie. Okay, this might be easier than I thought. So this little just plastic piece pulls out. I'm just gonna keep it close to my table so we don't break any eyeshadows, and I just slid this box off. So again, I'm going to keep this. I'm gonna keep everything today. And then we can just pull the eyeshadows from the plastic compartment here. Oh, these are amazing. So let me give you an up close of a couple of these. So none of these have names on the back. All of them do say Marvel, Avengers, Infinity War, and Besame on the back of them, but none of the eyeshadows are actually named. So we have this beautiful like cobalt royal blue. We have kind of like this copper, almost like a brick kind of copper eyeshadow. We have a gold, which reminds me of Thanos's gauntlet. We have a beautiful burgundy red, which is going to be gorgeous to use this fall. We have a really dark, lovely purple. Ooh, and it matches my background. Hello. Literally that color in an eyeshadow. And then we have a lovely green, which I think is going to be beautiful to use closer to the holidays. I like the packaging. I like that they just kind of pop on open here. Lovely. So I'm going to try to use as many of these eyeshadows as I can in some sort of makeup look today. So let's go ahead and get right started. So I think we're just going to kind of go all out here. I don't even know where to begin. I think we're going to start by I think I'm going to start with this purple shadow here, and we're just going to take this and put it all over the crease. Normally, I wouldn't put a shimmer. Oh, hello. Let's swatch this first. Okay, so it has kind of a nice formula. Ooh. Hello, are you pigmented too? We need to swatch these real quick. Okay, blue. Oh my God. Holy, oh my God. Like, alone, they were pretty products. The fact that they have that kind of pigmentation. Oh my God, that copper is so beautiful. You know what that reminds me of? Is, oh, there's a pigment from MAC, and I own it. Copper Sparkle pigment from MAC. That is what it looks like, but just in like a pressed pigment form. All right, red. Ooh, that's like an orangey red. That's wicked pretty. And then last, oh no, we already swatched, oh, gold. I didn't swatch the gold one. Oh my God. Whoa! I didn't expect that at all, like at all. So again, I'm gonna start with the purple, and I'm gonna put this right into my crease, and I really just kind of wanna go all out. I wanna have fun today. Lord knows I'm not leaving my house like this, so why not? Let's go crazy. So I'm gonna really blow this out in my crease. Excuse me. This cat is literally the biggest spaz. I'm very impressed just a couple of seconds in. This purple is so pigmented, even picked up with a brush. Like, this is just dry product, sorry. Oh, my hairline is showing. I know the wig's not perfect. I'm sorry. So I went there. I just brought this purple up quite high. I smoked it out quite a bit as well. I have never worked with such a pigmented eyeshadow that wasn't crazy with fallout. This is not crazy, and I'm even going in with a little bit more color and I'm building on top of it. So like just a second ago, it was still an intense purple, but it wasn't as intense, and now I can go back in with some more pigment and add to it, and it's building up and deepening that color while at the same time still able to get smoked out. I am a little bit blown away. I think I'm actually gonna go into this gold shade and I'm gonna sweep it in my crease like right on top of that purple. To do this, I'm using my Morphe 502 brush. So I'm not necessarily bringing up the product that much higher. Honestly, we're quite up there next to the brow anyways, but just kind of right on top. Oops, I keep forgetting that this is like ridiculously pigmented. This eye is much more intense than this one, so I'm gonna build up this one a little bit more. And then I think I'm gonna even dip back into my purple and kick that gold back up a little bit. It came down a little too low. I think I wanna go into my blue. We're gonna use my Morphe 321, which is about the same size as my 502. It's just a little bit not as fluffy, a little denser. So this is gonna go right into my crease again, but I'm just not gonna bring it up as high as the purple because we're about to cut the crease. So I want it up high enough that we'll be able to see it once I do apply concealer, but not taking away from that purple as well. So I packed the product on where I want it to go. This brush is just not very good for blending. So I'm just going to use my shadow switching pan to get rid of that extra purple. Now I can go in with that clean brush and just soften up that blue a little bit and help it blend into that purple. Alright, let me take a break from the eyeshadows. We're going to go and cut this crease now. I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape to do this because I know it's a super full coverage concealer. So just putting a little bit on the back of my hand, I'm going to use a flat shader brush and we are going to mark out where I want my cut crease to be. I think what I'm going to do is either save the green or the blue for the bottom half. I think I do for sure. Let's start with what I know for sure. And I'm going to go back into this gold because I want to use more of it. And I'm going to take it on a flat shader brush and I'm going to pack it on the inner about third of my crease, of my lid rather. Okay, so now you see what I'm talking about, how pigmented this thing is. This might be a little weird, but I want to try something today. I almost want to keep the outer half of my cut crease like natural. I want it to ombre from this gold into like a natural shadow. I'm gonna really build up the pigmentation of this gold. Honestly, I'm basically picking up like an ivory base shadow. And I'm just going to pack this on the outer half of my cut crease so it's just not remaining the cream concealer. It's pretty much setting that concealer but not really changing the color. I know I always do the white waterline anyways in my looks, it's just my preference, but it helps your eyes look really big. Now normally I would go in and really blend this white out. I blended it out a tiny bit, but I'm actually even gonna go in with my NYX white eyeliner and go right over that cream and really intensify the white. So after I put some on, I'm actually going to use my brush to help disperse the product a little bit. Next, I'm gonna take this Dome pencil brush and we gotta figure out the bottom lash line. I still wanna try to incorporate the red and the green. I just don't know how, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to incorporate both of them into today's look. I think I'm gonna first line my eyes so I can kind of see where my lines are and go from there. I think we're gonna go back into my blue. I feel like out of the colors that I used so far, that was the shade that pretty much got the least amount of surface area. So we're gonna go back into this blue again with the pencil brush. And I think I'm gonna start in the inner third of my eye but I'm actually treating the white as kind of my new waterline. So I'm not going right up to my lashes, but I'm going right underneath that white. I'm also not going to go all the way to my inner tear duct because I will be switching brushes in just a moment. And once I have the product on, I'm going to smoke it out a little bit. Then I think we're going to go back into purple because that was kind of our main color. Same thing as the blue, but this time on the outer third of my lid. Just like the inner corner, I'm not going to complete the outer corner. I think I want to do something with that. This time picking up that blue with an angled brush, I'm going to bring my inner corner to a point. Exact same process, but this time with the purple on the outer corner. I'm pretty much just flicking it out. So I think that's it with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little more detail using the white liner, put on some mascara and lashes, finish up the face, and then we're gonna look at the lip. Like I said, I have this rollerball set right here, and it's so cool because they almost look like vials. And of course, they're the same color as the infinity stones. So I think I'm just going to take one out and finish up our look today with a very natural lip. Obviously, we went a little crazy with the eyes. I think maybe just a little lip gloss will suffice. But just like we did with the Avengers thing. Oh, okay, so that's the top. So it looks like I could even just pull one out. Ooh, there we go. That way I don't even have to ruin the packaging. These are, oh, beautiful. They almost remind me of lava lamps because it's moving down really slow. The logo says Marvel Avengers Infinity War, has Besame on them, and then again it's just a little roller ball, so it's not gonna have a ton of color, but we'll give it a try. Oh, I've never had a roller ball that was kind of sticky. Interesting. Has a really nice smell to it. As for the color, it doesn't look, you know, like purple. I did just lie it on its side for a second and it is like shifting, like the purple color definitely came up. I just think it's a really pretty, just natural gloss for your lips. Alright guys, so that was it for our Besame collection Marvel Infinity Stones products. Oh my gosh, I went into this not expecting much. I was just obsessed with the packaging. Again, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I kind of consider myself more of a collector. So if I see an amazingly packaged product, I'm not going to be totally heartbroken if it's not the best product on the market. I am blown away by these eyeshadows. Did I ever cover my lash band? Oh no, one of my lights blew out. Oh no. Like I said, if the product isn't the best thing in the world, if they're not the most pigmented things, I'm not going to be totally heartbroken because I bought it specifically for the packaging or, you know, what the packaging meant. It holds a special place in my heart because it's merging two different worlds. It's merging, you know, comics into makeup, and I love the collection and I love the idea behind it, and it was so beautifully done that I wasn't even disappointed in the products. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know if you want me to browse Besame and keep my eyes open for some more collection pieces. I'm really debating on doing the Snow White or Agent Carter one, so if you guys want to see one of those, let me know down in the comments. But keep in mind, I don't know how long these collections remain on the website, so by the time that you might comment, the collection may not be available to me anymore. So again, if there's something that you would really love to see, make sure you comment right away. Please go ahead and check out this website on your own. I'm not sponsored by them. I think they're just such an amazing company and something so unique that I haven't seen before. So please go ahead and leave a thumbs up on my video if you enjoyed, and if you don't want to miss any new videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. That way you never miss when I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching again, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Oh my god, y'all, I didn't even highlight today. Oh, oops.